Hi, kindergartners. It's math time, and it is time for number of the day. My goodness, we have not been doing that for a while. We spent a lot of time on patterns, and now we need to get back on track. So, the last number we had for number of the day was number, do you remember it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That was number 6. So, what comes next? That's right, it is number 7. So let's take a look at number 7 in a couple of different ways, and then we get to show 7. So I want you to start thinking about how we were showing numbers before and how you can show numbers again. So let me find our work for today. Here is math. Again, trouble with that link. There it is. Okay. Okay, so this is last week and this week. We looked at lots and lots of patterns. Patterns were really fun last week. I really enjoyed that. And patterns are not over. We will continue patterns throughout the year. But today, it is our number of the day and it is 7. So let's think about how to show 7. We have a little line across and a long diagonal line. So we have two things where we are going to look at the number 7. I like this 7 with all of those rainbows. Let's listen to this one.
Storybots. Sing a song of 7, a number that I love. I can count the 7 colors in a rainbow up above. I can share my 7 cookies or 7 apple pies while I read about Snow White and 7 little guys. Number 7, number 7, number 7, you're good. Number 7, number 7, number 7, you rule. I feel like I'm in heaven cause I'm counting up to 7 tonight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 monkeys in a jungle, 7 fishes in a creek. I count my 7 alligators, 7.
Ooh, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. There are 7 days in a week as well.
7 days a week, I got 7 little mousies eating 7 kinds of cheese. Gonna get me 7 ships just to sail the 7 seas. Number 7, number 7, number 7, you're good. Number 7, number 7, number 7, you rule. My engine is a revving cause I'm counting up to 7 tonight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, I feel like I'm in heaven cause I'm counting up to 7 tonight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay, so that was one quick way to show 7. All those animals. Now, how can we show 7 with our hands? There are a few ways. We can go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're going to need 2 hands no matter what. This is 5 and 2, and that makes 7. We can count on. We know that one hand is already 5, so here's 5, and then 6, 7. It's kind of like a 5 frame, but there's another way to show 7. Actually, a couple other ways with our hands. We can show 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 fingers. There's a group of 4 and a group of 3, and that makes 7. Remember when we were subitizing and we were talking about sets? There are lots of sets that can make 7. So I want you to think about that, and we are going to take a look at one more way to show 7 on the iPad, and then I'm going to show you some ways that you can take pictures of and make 7 on your own.
Jack Carson! Kid Music
I can show the number 7 in many ways. Look and sing along and let's learn today. I can show the number 7 in many ways. I can show the number 7 as a picture, like this.
So there is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We can show that 7 by saying, I saw a group of 3 over here, a group of 3 over here, and 1 in the middle. Today, when you're working, you could show 7 with a picture.
Seven.
I can show the number 7 as a numeral, like this.
And a numeral is a number or a digit. It is the symbol for the number 7. You could show it like that.
7.
I can show the number 7 on fingers, like this.
We just practiced that, didn't we? There's 2 and 5. And if you had 5 and 2, it would still be 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7.
I can show the number 7 in a 10 frame,
Ooh,
like this.
a 10 frame. We get to start working on those. I'm so excited. You do have one of those in your home learning kit. So if you chose to get that out, you could show 7 like this. A 10 frame has 2 5 frames right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's what we've been looking at. But a 10 frame adds another one. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 spaces. And you can show 7 on a 10 frame with 5, a set of 5, and a set of 2. There are other ways to do that as well.
7.
I can show the number 7 in many ways. I can show the number 7 with tally marks, like this.
And we haven't talked very much about tally marks, but yes, that is a way to show 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last one shuts the door. Tally marks are a group of lines that come in a group of 5s or 1s. So again, there's 5 and then 2, and that's 7.
7.
I can show the number 7 on a number line, like this.
Ooh, that's exciting, a number line. It starts at 0 and goes up to where you want. This one stops at 10, but the arrow continues this way to tell you that numbers keep going. And this arrow goes that way to let you know that there are numbers before 0. But right now, you could bounce up to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7.
I can show the number 7 as a word,
Ooh.
like this.
What letters are in the word 7? These are all lowercase letters. Let's spell it. S, E, V, E, N, 7. How many letters are in this word? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 letters, but the word is 7.
7.
I can show the number 7 on dice, like this.
All right, that is 7, and this is a different group of sets. We have a set of 6 and a set of 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Kind of like the hearts at the beginning. 2 sets of 3 and 1 of 1.
7.
I can show the number 7 in many ways. I can show the number 7 on a domino, like this.
Just like the dice.
I can show the number 7 on fingers, like this.
2 and 5.
I can show the number 7 as a picture, like this.
Ooh, this time it's stars, but in the same formation. Is this the only way you could show 7 with pictures? I don't think so.
I can show the number 7 as a numeral, like this.
7.
I can show the number 7 in many ways. Let's sing along and let's learn today. I can show the number 7 in many ways. Now
Okay, we are going to stop there. We showed it in lots of ways, and now it is your turn to show 7. So I, of course, got out things from my home learning kit, and I found my cubes that are already labeled 7, up to 7. However, they were not in order. I had to put them in order. Can you count them with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here's one way. Now remember, the last time we did this, we had our whiteboard, okay? And so I'm going to put some of these things down on the whiteboard for you to see, okay? I also made a number 7 with my pipe cleaner. Now we had a friend that said, I don't have more pipe cleaners. Well, I don't either. So what I'm doing is I am taking some of my other numbers apart and making my new ones. All right, and then I need 7 beads. I think I'm going to put 4 on top. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, and that happens to be a pattern. And 3 on the bottom. 1, 2. Oh, I almost lost one. 3. So this is 7 in 2 ways. The numeral 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 beads. So let's move it down here so that you can see. Okay, so I have my number 7 right here. Let me see. I want to make this bigger for all of you to see. There we go. So here's a 7. And here is 7. I'm going to get my marker and I'm going to make a window today. I'm going to make a 1 line down this way and 1 line across this way. So right now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have this number 7. I could make pictures of 7. I could do circles, and I don't have to do them the way we saw on the video. I could make them any way I want. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I could label them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, just like that. How else could I make 7? What do I have? What could I do? I could show 7 crayons. I could show 7 coins. I could show, I'm going to write the word 7. Let's see. S. E. V. V. Another E. What letter is that? N. 7. All right, so there are lots of ways that you can show 7. I can't wait to see which ones you show me. Have fun making 7 today, and think, what number will tomorrow be? What comes next? I hope you know it. I'll see you then. Goodbye.